Hello everybody!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with another story. It is called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups
by James Dean. We are very excited to read the story about Pete the cat when he was a baby.
Yes, because he's really cute. He has bigger eyes now.
Bigger eyes.
Even though he's smaller.
Okay, let's begin.
Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Hic, hic. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do you stop my hiccups?
How do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. That's a bad idea.
Let's see.
Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. He already tried it and it did not work. Let's see.
This is hop up and down. Let's see.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Uh-oh. Pete asks
Gus,
how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. What?
So you stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and then you also sing a song. Do you think it's gonna work?
No, because maybe he just likes songs, so he said that.
Let's see.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. La 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 la. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups.
So it didn't help. It didn't work.
That's what I said. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Why are they at the beach? They were just at the house.
Because remember, Bob likes to surf?
You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song.
And rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it.
I bet it doesn't work. I bet the mom will.
Let's see. I don't know.
Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Uh-oh. Go ask Mom, says Bob.
Because moms know
everything.
Let's see.
Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath.
So what's going to happen?
Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath.
Let's see.
Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. That's a long wait. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.